So we have this question and it says find the nth term of the sequence 2 times 3, comma 4 times 6, comma 8 times 9, comma 16 times 12. So we know that the first one is the first term, which is known as T1. So we have that T1 is equals 2 times 3. And we have that T2 is equals 4 times 6. We have that T3 is equals 8 times 9. And we equally have that T4 is equals 16 times 12. Now look at these numbers. Just look at these first ones. Look at this second one. Now, if you watch these two, these two, okay, we consider it as the first term for this part. Now, getting to here, what did they do to these two to get 4? We can say they did 2 times 2, right? But we have to consider here. So how did they get this 4? Can we say that they got 2 times 2? They did 2 times 2, 4, then 2 times 3 is not, it's 8. So we can say that what they actually did here is 2 raised to power 2. These two now raised to power 2. And what they actually did here, considering these two, is actually 2 raised to power 3. And what they actually did here, considering these two, is actually 2 raised to power 4. So we can say that what they actually did to get these two particularly is actually 2 raised to power 1. I hope it's clear. Now, if you watch this part now, this second column, if you watch it, what did I do to this 3 to get this? Okay, they did this 3 times 2 to get what? 6, right? This 3 now times 2, they did to get 6. Now, how did they get this 9? Considering this 3, they did what? This 3 times 3, right? Now, what did I actually do to what? Get this 12? They did this 3 times 4. Okay, and we can see now what they actually did to get this 3 is actually 3 times 1. Wow. So they are getting this they got this column by squaring by the powers of 2. Do you understand? By the powers of 2. Okay, and they got this one by multiplying 3 repeatedly by natural numbers. Wow. So therefore we can say that the nth term that are talking about t raised to t subscript n is equals the first number. We know that they use 2. That's 2 raised to power nth term, then 1. 2 raised to power the number of terms. I mean, this is the nth term. 2 raised to power the number of terms times what? 3 times what? N. This is the answer. Why? Because this n, if the nth term here is 1, so if I have the number of terms here to be what? 1, here is 1. So we'll get T1 is equals 2 raised to power 1 times 3 times 1. And what will it give me? It will give me 2 times 3, which is this T1. Can you see it? 2 times 3, the first one. Look at it here. Now, if it is T3, now, if I here is T3, that's the number of times 3 is equals 2 raised to power what? 3 times what? 3 bracket 3. So this is T base 3 is equals 2 raised to power 3. 8 times 3 times 3 is what? 27. Can you see it? T3. 3 times 3, 9, I mean. 3 times 3. 9. I say 20. I thought that it is 3 power 3. So the is t and 3 is equals 8 times 9, which is what we are having here. So if you ask me now, what is the T10? What is the T10? I know that this is the formula for this particular sequence. So I have that T10 is equals 2 raised to power 10 times 3 bracket 10. So T10 will be what? What is 2 raised to power 10? You get the answer, times 30. So 2 raised to power 10. If we check, we know that 2 raised to power 6. We know that 2 raised to power 6 is 64. So remaining 2 raised to power 4, right? Remaining 2 raised to power 4. That will give us 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So if we multiply 16 by 64, 6 times 4 is 24. We have 4 carry 2, 36, 38, 4, 6. We have 4, 2 carry 1. We have what? 10. So we have 2 raised to power 10 as 1024 times 30. So this is the T10. Is that clear? Have a nice day. Like, comment, share, and follow Courses Academy. Bye bye.